I am Usman. I am from Karachi, Pakistan, and I live here in UAE since 6 years. I come to Dubai for my son education and for my family better future. My job is the installation of the security systems like CCTV cameras, and my aim is I will be provide the good safety to the people. Hardest part in my job is work in the heat in the sun, and sometime I will install the camera whenever in the high level floor. Then it will be hard. There is also have the life danger also. But I feel proud when I install the camera or a security system, and somebody tell me that after this installation I feel very safe. I feel very happy when I see the children are safe here. I really believe in Dahua. Dahua is a good brand. Dahua provides us the workshops and also give the good quality. Dahua take care of me, my family, other installer family also. My son, he loves to study and he's very happy. And when I see his smile in his face, then I am more excited and more happy. I love this job. Dahua appreciate me. Thank you, Dahua. I feel valued. Happy to be together with you.
Together with you. Together with you. Together with you. Together with you. Together with you.